Welcome to Textile Tip Zone. Guidelines for production quality is today's topic. That means GPQ. This is GPQ room. GPQ, Guideline for Production and Quality. Guideline production quality একটি নির্দেশিকা. GPQ is a monitoring and a direction system which confirm quality in every steps of production based on buyer requirements. Subscribe the channel. GPQ, what works do? 1. As per buyer requirement, make guidelines and establish that. 2. Follow working procedure from sample to production. 3. Quality manual and equal standard following. 4. Line setup, inline inspection, final inspection, monitoring. Number 5. Give training and a guideline to swing and QA team, quality assurance team. Number 6. Make document and report, IAR, final report, etc. 7. Defect analysis to find out root cause analysis and suggest. Take preparation for every steps. 9. For shipment approve, final report making. ধরুন একটি বা তাদের পলো শার্টের সাইড সিলেটের জন্য একটি নির্দেশনা দিবে, বার ট্র্যাক করার বিষয় দিবে।